Hi, this is Scott with Learn to Stop Hunger, and today we're going to talk about how to save money on prescription drugs. The first thing we're going to talk about is perhaps the best possible discount, and that is getting your drugs for free. I personally have had some luck with this, and it never hurts to ask. When you go to the doctor's office, simply ask for samples of the medicine that you're being prescribed. It's definitely the best way to go. You can't beat the price, and you're able to give the medicine a try and determine if there are any issues. The second option that you want to look into, of course, is to buy a generic drug versus a brand drug. Generic drugs typically are considerably cheaper, and oftentimes you can get them for a few dollars a month, which is just a great price. Once you've checked into that and you've seen there are many drugs out there that do not have generics, and in those circumstances you may want to take a look at a discount program that's offered by the manufacturer of the drug. I've got an example here. Dexilant is one drug that you can purchase. It's I believe like an antacid type medicine, and the company that produces this actually has a discount program that you can sign up for. Doesn't cost you anything, and they give you this, a card that looks something like this that you take to your drugstore and present, and you're able to get the medicine for a substantial discount. And from what I've seen, many companies out there that manufacture brand name drugs do offer discount programs like this, although their policies may differ. I believe for this Dexilant medicine, very little information has to be provided to them. There are other programs where you may need to provide a few pay stubs or your previous year's tax return, and then others yet where they request information regarding all of your assets to get, I guess, a picture of whether or not you should be eligible for those discounts. And then based upon your income situation and your insurance, they may give you a full ride, giving you the medicine for free, or they may give you a somewhat discounted prescription. So that's definitely another option. An additional option that you can look into is some kind of a pharmacy discount program, particularly for people who have either no insurance or insurance that covers prescriptions very poorly. One example of this is the AAA prescription discount program. If you're a AAA member, you can actually get a printable card from their website here, and you're able to take that to many pharmacies and get a discount. From what I read, it sounded like you might not be able to use this in conjunction with your insurance, so you may not be able to apply this to your deductible, although I'm not a pharmacist, so I couldn't tell you for sure on that. And then finally, another option that I personally found to be quite good is this GoodRx, which you can find at goodrx.com. This is just a great tool. Let's say that we want to come in here and look for, like it says, Lipitor. Let's go ahead and look for that. In Chicago, you can just type in your city. Let's say we're looking for Chicago. So you go ahead and click this Find Lowest Price, and what it's going to do is it will show you the pricing and this pricing is based upon locations, so you can find out who has the medicine for the cheapest. And as you'll notice here, you've got items that say with discount, with coupon. You actually will click on one of these items here, like get coupon. Let's see, take a look here, get discount. So what you would do then is you can print this out on your printer and then take it into that particular drugstore, and they will give you the discount. Additionally, there is a GoodRx phone app for Android and iOS. So if you don't want to print it out and you've got a smartphone, you can actually download that app for one of those, and I believe you're supposed to be able to present the coupon on the phone to the pharmacy. So that's a really nice feature. From what I was told, I have actually taken advantage of GoodRx, and from what I've been told, you can take the remaining cost that you do have to pay and send that cost into your insurance company to get it applied against your deductible for prescriptions as well. So that's really nice to be able to get both that discount, which actually surprisingly can be pretty substantial, and then also, you know, be able to possibly apply what you do pay against your deductible. So anyway, those are a few options that you have for saving money on prescriptions. Obviously, healthcare is a really hot topic right now, and costs are skyrocketing as it is, so any advantage that you can get is a good one, and I hope that you'll find these to be helpful in decreasing the amount of money that you're paying for your prescription meds.